So I just looked at a deck that we bid to replace about 3 years ago. It is so bad. Okay, so the railing's too short. It's at 35.5 inches. These joists are 4x6 joists on, looks like 3 foot, 4 foot center. 4 foot center, which you can't do. All of these posts are pretty severely rotted. It's not that bad, I guess. We've got notched 4x6 railing posts. That's just an old post. It's all dug for surface. That's just a free floating 2x6 right there. All up there for nothing. We got a scabbed 4x6 up here on both sides. This retaining wall is tilting pretty significantly. That is just more, you know, you build a deck, just like at least pull your tags off your boards. It's pretty basic, you know? I can tell you right now, those are too far apart too. All of these posts are junk. These footings need to go. That ledger wasn't replaced. There's no joist hangers. Looks like they scabbed this guy on there too. The screw right there didn't even get put all the way in. Right there. I mean, it's like comical. Unfortunately, somebody paid for this work. It's just, obviously, I mean, you got a 4x6 and you notch it, which you can't do. Now your whole railing is depending on an inch. It's crazy. So you're just Phillips wood screws. You have to use structural screws on these. Don't even start stairs. Oh, no, those are new stringers. Okay. Added a couple new stringers. God. That's good. For sure. This is so bad. These are all rotten. Code's 42. There. Has to be less than 4. I like the end down there. So enough stringers. Need one every 12. hangers are wrong. You can't do that. It's a joist hanger. So they notched the stringer to do a joist hanger, so they ruined the stringer. Gosh, man. This is all really bad wood.